Key Biscayne and you head into the national park, it's amazing how much the environment changes. It's just crystal clear water, lots of beautiful marine life. We see sites such as Stiltsville, Soldier's Key, the Ragged Keys. We take you guys out to my favorite spot in the National Marine Sanctuary in Biscayne National Park. Mandelay's shipwreck. She actually wrecked on New Year's Eve in 1966. She's still in really good shape, crystal blue water, almost no current, billions of beautiful tropical fish. Every time I'm there diving, I see different marine life consistently. Next up is Boca Chica Island. Became part of the national park in the early 1980s. She has a lot of history. There's a really cool lighthouse you can go up on there. We have beaches, hiking, you can explore, go on the nature trails. It's a really cool place to check out. It's just a completely different world. It really is. And it's so close by. It's only 30 minutes away. That's what's amazing.